Most modern refrigerators use a fan to blow air over the coils. There are two blower fans used in the refrigerator. These include condenser fan and evaporator fan. The condenser fan is located under the refrigerator. It is used to force air over the compressor and condenser coils and cool them. The evaporator fan is located inside the refrigerator. Unlike natural air circulation, the fan moves air around the cool evaporator coils inside the refrigerator. This cooled air is then distributed inside the refrigerator to cool the stuff stored inside.